Hi everyone. We will wait for a couple of more minutes for others to join the session. So then we can start. Okay, so I think we have start the session. Let me quickly share my screen. Hi everyone. So first of all, thank you so much all of you are taking the time to join today webinar. So today I'm super excited to have you all here for this session and solving one of your most common yet frustrating problems in a service-based business. So that is scheduling, right? So whether you are running a gym or a salon or a consulting firm or even handling internal meetings in a larger organization. So we all know the pain of back and forth scheduling and no shows and missed opportunities. So today webinar is titled Unlocking the Power of Zoho Bookings for service businesses. So we are not just going to talk about the feature, but about the real solutions, use cases, and how you can save your time and reduce the confusions and scale up your business smoothly using a Zoho Bookings. So in the next 30 to 40 minutes, I'll walk you through how Zoho Bookings can save your hours every week, reduce your manual work, and help you provide a better experience to your clients. So before we jump into the session, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Shiva, working as a delivery manager for India and APAC at SPIKRA. So at SPIKRA, we successfully implemented Zoho Bookings across multiple industries like manufacturing, fitness, and logistics. And we are helping them and our clients reduces their manual work and improve their customer experience. So along with me, we have a good friend, Mr. Prakash, and who is the partner manager for Zoho Bookings, and he will be here in the background to answer all your questions during the session. So feel free to drop your queries in the Q&A box anytime during the session. We'll either answer them on the go or take them during the Q&A segment at the end. So let me quickly walk you through our today agenda. So we are going to cover practical, powerful features of Zoho Bookings and how you can use them to save time and grow your business. So we're gonna discuss about the real struggles that has happened on everyday basis on when we schedule a meeting with our customers. And we are going to talk about the WhatsApp integration. So we will have a little comparison between how the Zoho Bookings it's going to be helpful like before WhatsApp integration versus after WhatsApp integration. And also we're going to take the future of the one-time meeting links and recurring meeting links, and we are going to uh, see the business booking page. And also there is another feature that you all know, like we have the browser extension in Zoho Bookings. And finally, we have some use cases for multiple industries that is we are developed for our customers. So we are going to take a look at that. And finally, we have the Q&A session also, that you have any questions, so you can directly ask them. Right. So before we go ahead, so I want to run a quick poll to keep the session interactive and also understand where you are coming from. So as I know, you are all from different industries and roles, but I'm sure we have all faced the scheduling struggles in some forms, right? Prakash, can you run a quick poll on that?
The poll is open.
Yeah.
We'll give it a few more seconds before everyone gives out their vote.
Yeah, sure.
Last few seconds for those of you who have missed voting. The poll is still open. We've received 7 responses. If anyone else wishes to key in their choices, please do. Okay, I'm publishing the results. Thanks for submitting your responses. So the most votes go to being stuck with too much back and forth on the phone and emails, and then customers do not show up on time, or they miss the notifications. Those are the most predominant points that were voted for, Shiva. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, all right. Thanks for voting. And no worries. So if you're in the situation is slightly different also, so we will be covering all these pain points and how to solve them with the Zoho Bookings in the next few slides. So, all right, before we jump into the features of Zoho Bookings, let's talk about the real pain, the everyday problems that most service businesses face when it comes to scheduling. And if you're running a business that involves any kind of appointment or consultation or a client call, I'm sure you will relate to at least one of these. So let's say we are going to talk about that is a too many DMs and calls to fix a one appointment. So let's say a customer DMs you, "Hi, are you free at 3 p.m.?" And then you say no. So then they will say, "Okay, how about the Thursday evening?" So you are not free then either. This cycle goes on, and by the time you actually confirm a timing, one of you might lose interest or forget. So this back and forth is a massive wastage of time, right? So we are not running a WhatsApp based call center, right? So we are running a business. And there is a second thing, like client forgets the appointment without a reminder. So how many of you have had this happens? So let's say the client says yes, you block your time, and then nothing show, right? Because there was a no automated reminder system and you forgot to follow up manually. Obviously, because you are managing 20 other things, right? So every missed appointment is a lost revenue opportunity, and it's not your fault. It's about just a bad system. And third thing, about the manual updates. So booking confirmations and rescheduling and cancellation, follow-up messages and feedback requests. So doing all of this manually over a WhatsApp or email is exhausting. You hire people just to manage this, or was you lost clients because you couldn't respond quickly enough, right? So it's not a scalable. If your business grows, so this becomes a lot of a confusions. And moving on to the next one, so that is a double booking. So every had two people show up at same time, or you booked yourself into a two places at once. So it's common, especially when you use a any calendar like a Google Calendar or Zoho Calendar and a WhatsApp separately. So these schedulings mistakes cost you your professional image, and sometimes even your clients. You look unorganized even if you are actually doing your best. And coming to the last one, like so that is for the central place to manage your time. So this one is a silent killer. So most of us don't realize how much time we lose every day just managing the time. So we don't have a one place where we can manage to show your available slots, accept or reject the appointments, and automated reminders and follow-ups. So without a system, we are doing everything manually, and that's not what modern businesses should like in 2025. So now I am not saying this to scare you. I'm saying this because we have seen these struggles firsthand. At SPIKRA, we work with a multiple service businesses, starting from gyms and consultants and to manufacturing teams as well. So these are the real problems, and Zoho Bookings is here to solve them. So let's dive into how it's work, starting with a feature that everyone asks for, that is a WhatsApp automation, right? Okay. All right. Before I walk you through the WhatsApp integration and how it solves the problems. So right. So let's take a step back and look at the reality how scheduling happen most services businesses, right? So whether you're running a gym or a salon, consulting services, or managing the appointments, okay. So actually, you will get a call or a WhatsApp messages. Let's say, "Hi, are you available tomorrow at 11?" Open your calendar and ask your staff, then reply, right? So you need to check that everything in a manually, right? And there is a second scenario. If you are busy, you say no and offer another time. So sometimes you say yes and don't, and you have forgot to block your calendar. So there is a double booking going to be happen. And the other thing, there is no confirmation or reminder that needs to send from the WhatsApp. So you might forget to confirm, and unless you are setting a reminder in your phone or calendar, the client is also forgets too. And then there is a no show is going to be happen. And as well as the follow-ups, right? So you send a reminder, or you was rememberly only after the appointment. That time has really passed, right? And if and also there is a reschedule. So let's say if you send out the follow-ups done, and you can send the reminder everything. So if someone wants to change the time, it become a ping pong game, right? Can you do a 3 p.m.? So then you said no, I have another meeting. So how about a fight? So too much of a back and forth that's going to be happen. And here, where most of the times are going to be confused and everything. And also we have lost a lot of opportunities. So you're already use WhatsApp to talk to your customers every day, but you don't use it smartly to manage with your appointments. So what if WhatsApp could automatically send a booking confirmations or send a reschedule options with one click, even remind your clients before the appointment without you lifting a finger. So let's look at how that work with Zoho Bookings and WhatsApp integrations. So now we are going to talk about one of the powerful and most requested features in the Zoho Bookings. That is for the WhatsApp integration. So almost every business in India today we have use the WhatsApp. So whether it's a salon, coaching center, fitness trainer, or even a B2B consultant, your customer is most likely messaging you on WhatsApp. But the big question is, are you just chatting with them, or are you automating and growing your business through it? Okay, the first step, right? So when it comes to a Zoho Bookings connects directly with your verified WhatsApp business number. So that means all your messages go from your official number with your business names and brandings. So we don't need any third-party tool to integrate at that. So everything is 100% integrated, and it's all going to be approved and via the WhatsApp official APIs. So here, here's where's the magic happen. So as soon as your booking is made, so WhatsApp automatically so in Zoho Bookings, you are able to send the confirmation from a through a WhatsApp to your client. So not just for a new bookings, it also sends reminders for upcoming appointments, notification when a meeting is rescheduled or cancelled. So even a message is if the client did not show up. And all of this happens on autopilot. So you don't need to lift a finger on your WhatsApp or jumping to a multiple tab and everything. So all the messages go with approved templates. So that looks a clean and professional. So these templates supports dynamic variables. So the messages, as you can see here, so you will able to send a if they want to reschedule or if they want to cancel the meeting, everything we are able to set up that as in the template level. So it feels personally, but you don't have to send it manually. It's a dynamic and auto field one. And especially this part really improves the user experience. You can include a buttons inside WhatsApp message like a reschedule, cancel, view summary, or book another appointment. So just imagine how smooth that is for your client. They don't have to call you or wait for your replay. So they just tap a button and it's done. So that's not just convenient. So that's a premium level customer experience that you're going to provide for your customers. So once you set this up, you will immediately notice in your business that is drop in no shows and foster appointment confirmation and less time on spending a messaging on or send an email to the customers. So and also your clients will also get happier who feel cared for that. So this is how you build trust and save the time with your customer at the same time, right? So that's how the WhatsApp, which was once just a chat tool, becomes your automated scheduling assistant. And the best part is, so it's work for a 24/7. Even when you are feel asleep or busy with another client, your WhatsApp handles your bookings completely, right? So all right, so let's say you don't want to show your full calendar to everyone, or maybe you're planning yeah, one-off meeting with a high value lead or a partner. So you want to send them a private slot just for them, so not for everyone. So that's where Zoho Bookings one-time meeting link becomes a game changer. Actually, this feature lets you create a single use link. So once someone books using it, so that link automatically expires. This is perfect when you are scheduling on an exclusive meeting. Let's say you are a coach giving a free discovery call or a consultant. you are offering a one-time review session. So you don't want to just anyone using the same link again and again. So you generate a one-time link, and then you can send it to that a particular person, and that's it only. So one-time links are especially useful when you scheduling a meeting with any your premium clients, or you are offering a limited time for a strategy call, or you're closing a deal and want to book without showing all your other services. So it's a clean, controlled, and a private one. You can define the exact available time slots you want to offer. For example, only this Friday between 2 to 4 p.m. And you can expect the link after a set period. So for the 24 hours. So that creates a sense of urgency and avoid a last minute confusion in your customer perspective. So this links is a URL, which means you can send it anywhere. You can either share it with a WhatsApp chat, or reply to an Instagram DM, or email to your client. So they click and pick the time and get the confirmation under 60 seconds. So you don't want to create a new links every week. So that's where our next feature is there. So that is a recurring one-on-one meeting. So comes into a play, right? So we have seen how one-time meetings works beautifully or quick, uh, or for an individual session. So, but what about a businesses or a professional who meet their clients regularly? Whether you are a fitness coach, or a therapist, or a consultant, or even a gym trainer. So you don't want to manually create a new booking link for every single week. So that's exactly why we have the recurring one-on-one meetings with Zoho Bookings. So with this feature, you can set up a service that repeats at regular intervals. So that is for a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, whatever that suits your flow. So your clients books it's once, and all the future session gets scheduled automatically. So you don't need for them to come back to your page again and again. No need for you to send the reminders for each and every week. So this and also I can personally suggest, actually this is a perfect fit for a gym or a fitness coach running a weekly personal training. Or if you are if you have an Instagram, so you can have a lot of DMs, right? So you can directly schedule your appointments directly with your customers as well. And also there is another one for the therapist or account consultants with a weekly check-ins or anything. So this is how you deliver the continuity on the commitment without a zero confusions, right? So once a client books the recurring services, so they instantly receive a calendar invite for the entire schedule. And of course, reminders are sent before every session. So just like with a regular booking, so this creates a consistency, improve the attendance, and keeps both sides aligned. So like in recurring bookings means a less time spent on admin and more time focusing on delivering your services. So your clients feel like they are a well organized professional system. And for your business, that means a better retention, and it can build a strong relationship with your customer and less drop off. So let's talk about the face of your booking system. So your business booking page. So actually that is the next feature we are going to talk about. So now let's shift our focus to something that's often underestimated. So that's your business booking page. So think of this as your digital front desk. So it's the first thing your clients see when they want to book your services, right? So when it comes to the business booking page in Zoho Bookings, so the business booking page gives your clients a clear professional view of all your services that you have. So it displayed with your brand name, logo, business hours, and the time zone. And also it looks neat and organized, and also it look neat and organized consolidated booking page into your front end, right? So whether you offer a one-to-one or 10 different services, they are available in the one page, so they can directly go and access the page and ready to book that. So client can book appointments anytime, so a 2 a.m. or a 2 p.m. So based on the real-time availability you have set it. So this gives your customer freedom to choose while you stay in control of your calendar. So your page is fully mobile responsive, which is super important today, because over 80% of service bookings happens on phone. So it also support a multi-language, so even if your audience is diverse, you can still offer a comfortable localized booking experience. And if you want to gather more info before the meeting, like a location or a preference or a custom requirements, so you can just add a form or fields at your services, so all before the booking is confirmed. So this booking page is it's not just for your website. So if you have a let's say, as I mentioned, if you are a, like, so let's say if you are a trainer, right? So you are just doing the training session through a online session, like a Instagrams or a WhatsApp, or even for the YouTubers, like you can share it with anywhere. You can just paste the links in your WhatsApp or Instagram bio, or you can embed it into your website or a YouTube, or you can even generate a QR code for a print materials or physical stories, wherever your customer finds you, so they should be able to book you. And now let's talk about the one of the most powerful tool in the Zoho Bookings toolkit, right? So we are going to like in the Zoho Bookings page. So these are the common thing which we have discussed, right? So for the centralized booking link, and also there is another one major thing which I need to add it on the Zoho booking page. uh, Even when you sleep, your booking page, it's keep working. So client can book appointments at any time or anywhere, so they can directly access your booking page, and they can choose the services whatever they need. Okay, so now moving on to the next one. Actually, so this is the most powerful tool in the Zoho Bookings toolkit. So the browser extension, so that's is save a lot of time inside your Gmail and the LinkedIn. So far, we have seen how Zoho Bookings makes it easy for your customer to book a service from your website or a booking page, or like a one-on-one and everything. But what if you are working inside a Gmail or connecting with the prospects on LinkedIn? So you should not have to copy links or switch to a multiple tabs or a multiple window, or open your calendar manually. So that's why we created the Zoho Bookings browser extension. So that's built for the Gmails and the LinkedIn, right? So let's say a client's email that's saying, hey, can we talk this Friday at 3? So with a Gmail extension, so you don't have to open booking separately, right? So here from you will be able to you just click the Zoho Bookings icon inside the Gmail, and it gives you all of your available times right there, right? So let me show that in the real thing. So in this video, as you can see here, so here we don't need to do any manual work. So you just need to click the Zoho Bookings icon inside the Gmail, and it gives you all of your available times right there. So you can pick the time and insert the booking link directly into your replay. So that is done in under the 10 seconds. So here from, so there is a no more playing email and ping pong like, and so that does Tuesday works for you? So no, I'm busy, what about Thursday? So just drop your live availability inside the email thread, and let's let the client pick for that, right? So same concept on the LinkedIn. So let's say someone comments on your or post, or send your message asking any about your services, or they if they need any appointment specifically. So you can directly open the Zoho Bookings browser extension, so pick the right services, and instantly you can send them a personal booking link. So this extension helps you strike when the iron is hot. the moment someone shows interest, so you're then ready to offer a smooth booking experience or without a delays. And it's available for Chrome and Edges, and works on both the desktop and laptops. So there is a no complex setup is there. So just you just need to install and sign in, and your schedule comes with your everywhere, and you're working. Okay, so here, okay, I want to run a one more quick poll before we move into the real world implementation. So we have seen the features like WhatsApp integrations and one-time meeting scheduling and the recurring meetings and booking page and even the browser extension. So now tell me, like, which of these features are you most excited to try in your businesses? So, Prakash, can you run the pool? Yeah,
Yeah, the poll is open.
yeah. I think you will see the options now.
You received 5 responses. Most of the, 6 now. Yes. So WhatsApp is the one that's been most liked, followed by the Gmail extension and recurring one-on-one meetings. WhatsApp has the most votes.
Okay, okay, yeah. Thanks all of you again for the responses. So, okay, before we jump into the QA session, so I want to quickly show you how Zoho Bookings is already being used by the service-based business in different industries. And these are the real implementation that is done by our team at SPIKRA. And though we will keep the client's name confidential, so the results speak for themselves. So that is we are implemented Zoho Bookings for are one of our manufacturing industries. So this is our one of our key implementation. So was for a manufacturing client. So that produced the leather materials for a premium cars like a Jaguar and a BMW. So they were getting inquiries from vendors, distributors, and even for the new customers, but they did not have a structured way to handle them. We helped them to set up the Zoho bookings to manage all their sales and the partnership appointments. So every time of inquiry, whether it was from vendor, distributor, or a B2B, now flows through an organized and professional bookings are made by using the Zoho bookings. So there is a no more manual follow-ups, and no more who's handling this confusions. So just clean scheduling and the proper ownership, so that we have that the client is get it from the Zoho bookings. And the second one, like for the gym and fitness sector, so we also worked with fitness businesses where we have helped set up the booking links for their sales inquiry and personal training sessions. And the last one for the supply chains. So for the logistics players, so we streamlined their vendor scheduling, which earlier needed manual calls and email chasing. So with Zoho bookings, that partners could now directly schedule a weekly sync up and submit a request and even reschedules. So that is all of these that can only through the Zoho bookings via the links. So there is a right now there's a no confusions or anything was happened. So we are proud to say that across these industries, Zoho bookings helped up businesses for automating the schedulings and reduced a lot of human errors and delivered a professional customer experience with a not a professional, so it's a premium level of customer experience that you will going to give to your customers. And now we would love to hear from you. So let's open the floor for your questions, whether it's about a setup or use cases or a pricing or integration. So we are ready to have, we are happy to answer your questions.
Thanks for the insightful session, Shiva. So, as Shiva was saying, it'd be nice if we could get your opinions on what helped you understand, what stood out, and what you think would add more details to this webinar, so it's useful for you. And in case you're looking for anyone to implement this for you, I think there'll be no other better people than SPIKRA. And if you want anything product related, you can always reach out to me. Maybe Siva will drop all our contact details over an email, or you'll be getting an end of webinar notification telling you about the same. Yeah, I see that question. So it says, no, there's no specific API, but it would be through a WhatsApp business verified mobile number that is connected with your Facebook account. There'll be a key that is required. Once you get that and you key that inside Zoho Bookings, the setup would be complete. I can possibly share the setup link that would help you configure WhatsApp by yourself. And if you still can't do that, we'll help you set it up if you reach out to the support team. Does that answer your question? Sure, sure. I'll just send it now. Thanks for the question. Do we have any more questions? Yeah, okay, nice. There's another question. How can we integrate the what? Yeah, Ankur, I've shared the link in the chat bar there. You can make use of it. So it goes through a series of verification steps that mandates you to approve your social account. Once you do that, you will have access to a system user token. The help guide will help you set it up. Any questions? Just drop an email to the following email address, and they'll help you. Or you can reach out to Shiva, and the team will be able to help you. Okay, Gaurang Shah has a question. He says, I'm not able to use my number in WhatsApp business. Can you elaborate a little? Because I quite don't understand that query. Meaning, do you have problems configuring your WhatsApp business number? If that's the case, I think you'll have to get it sorted with the Facebook team. We'd be able to help you configure once you have a valid WhatsApp business account number. So you're looking for discounts. We already are steeply priced, but provided there is volumes, we will be able to give you discounts. But we can take that offline. Yeah, you can drop a line to hello@zohobookings.com, and we can help you with that. Yes. Gaurang, I'd definitely recommend that you drop in all the details that you have to the email address that I just shared here. I'll have the support team look at it right away. Yes, Ankur, we will have to have a WhatsApp business number to start using this. We tried doing this without the WhatsApp number, but looks like that method is not approved by WhatsApp. So there is a partner who kind of uses this. They allow you to use WhatsApp notifications through a normal business number. That's the name of the vendor, Bagger Chat. So you can share his contact. If you drop an email, I'll share his contact details. Maybe you can check with that person and possibly use it. That helps us understand what you're looking for, Zoho Bookings. We understand that WhatsApp is the most interesting thing that you've been looking for. Nice to know that. Okay, so we have something called resource booking, which would help you book certain venues or halls or sports facilities. We have use cases like that, but it's not multi-day. We do have resource bookings. You can try resource bookings. Yes. Sure, Gaurang. When you drop the email, just request that you're looking for someone to help them implement, or Shiva, would that be possible for your team to take a look at it and assist
Yes,
with the WhatsApp implementation?
yes, Prakash. Will definitely do.
Shiva, I believe it would be useful if you dropped your sign up link so that people can sign up and test the Zoho Bookings features, maybe the WhatsApp even.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, I think Gaurang has already shared the email.
right. No, if you have it handy, maybe you can put it over on the Q&A section. It'd be useful for them to sign up from there. Yeah, Gaurang, possibly, I mean, all these details that you share here would be taken note of. Shiva would have his team reach out to you and help you with it. Yes. Great, guys. Any more questions? Gaurang, is that the only question you have? I mean, regarding WhatsApp, setting up WhatsApp for your account? Yeah. Okay, I'm in Australia. I have a driving. Awesome. Yeah, we would like to see you start using it. Shiva's team, or if you drop an email to hello at Zoho Bookings, we'd definitely be able to help you. Or if you're looking for another partner in your region, I'd be able to help you work with one of our partners in that region as well. Mm, Gaurang, it'd be nice if you could drop the your business website so we can take a look and then possibly reach out to you. Yes, yes, that would help. That would help if you dropped an email. Yes, thank you, Gaurang. So over to you. Yeah, thank you for your questions, guys. Thanks for staying all the way back.
Yes. Thank you, Prakash. Okay, so we hope this session gives you a clear understanding of how Zoho Bookings can help us simplify your scheduling process and bring more efficiency to your day-to-day operations. So, yeah, big thank you, everyone, and to again my colleague Prakash for joining and sharing his insights. So, if you have any further questions or need help for setting this up for you, so feel free to reach out to us. So you can drop an email to your queries at sales at SPIKRA. So you will also receive a follow-up email that after the session. So do check your inboxes as well. So on behalf of the entire team, thank you once again, and take care, and we look forward to seeing all of you in our next session. Yeah, thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you, Shiva.